Okay, we'll go ahead and get started, and if more people come in, they can certainly join and get their questions at the end. Thank you so much for joining today for our first virtual house for our upcoming courses at the Cable Academy. My name is Paige, and I am one of the admissions coaches at the Academy alongside my coworker Constance. And with the agenda that we're going to go through today, just a quick introduction of us, and then go into the overview of the Cable Academy, the course options, get into some tuition assistance talk, and then talk about our students as well, and then wrap it up with some questions and answers. Feel free to utilize the chat that is embedded in this virtual house to write your questions, and then we will get to all the questions at the end if there are any. So we can move right along. So, as I mentioned, my name is Paige. I am the main admissions coach for the Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky markets. And I have been with the Cable Academy since April of last year. And our first courses began in June of last year, so right in the middle of summer.
And I am Constance Crawford, actually a recent graduate of the Cable Academy. I'm came out of the first cohort, and I am an academic and recruitment specialist with the Cable Academy.
Perfect. So,
So,
yeah.
I'm sorry. So the Cable Academy is a 12 or 24-week web development and cybersecurity bootcamp style program that offers live or virtual classes. I highly recommend in-person classes, but you do have that option to take the courses virtually. This program includes full access to our career services and job assistance after graduation. There is a total of 600 hours of learning and 400 hours of live hands-on training. I recommend putting in extra hours of studying because the program is 12 weeks, and there's a lot of information to retain. Excuse me.
So the two courses that the Cable Academy offers are the web development course and the cybersecurity course. So our web development course is known as more of the creative side of technology. So this will be our 12-week immersive program that focuses on the fundamental concepts of JavaScript and React languages. There will be a heavy focus on the language of coding as well. So embedding that into the whole entire 12-week program to make your websites fully function with the navigating features and the colors and everything that goes into a fully functioning website. Multiple projects and assignments will be given to students throughout the 12 weeks that they will be able to take with them into interviews following graduation. So our students will be doing a lot of independent projects and also group projects as well to help start building their portfolio. So they are able to take the websites that they built in class and show them in their future interviews and potential interviews after completion of the course. No previous technology experience is needed for this course as it starts from the fundamentals of web development and moves into more the advanced knowledge as the weeks go on. We will also be preparing students for 2 official certification exams following graduation, and career services will be available on top of the learning that the students are going to be receiving throughout the 12 weeks. So you will be working with the learning departments, such as your instructors, alongside the career services department as well for graduation.
And the cybersecurity program is a 12 or 24 program as well, but the focus is on IT support, network support, and security support. This course is beginner friendly and no previous technology experience is required. This course prepares students for 3 certification exams after graduation, and career services is also available as well.
So with tuition, the standard tuition fee for the full or part-time programs is 14,500. And with that being said, we have a wide variety of tuition assistance options for students that are looking for some help with their tuition. First off, starting with the county-based programs. So depending on what county you all live in, there are different assistance opportunities out there that you will be eligible to apply for once you complete the Cable Academy application. Majority of these county-based programs are intended for students who are looking for a career after graduation. So workforce development funding to help you get the education you need to go into the technology industry. So we have listed here a couple of different counties that the Cable Academy is an approved vendor with, that we work with them on helping students get the assistance needed for a potential scholarship through the county. Montgomery County has tuition assistance for the full coverage, actually, as does Warren County. And then Butler and Claremont and Hamilton are going to have different tuition numbers based off of their funding opportunities. These are county-based applications, so they will go through their specific office. And unfortunately, Cable does not have any say in the eligibility of approvals, but with that being said, if you are in a specific county, you are eligible to apply and begin working with them for this potential scholarship that could come. Moving on to our main tuition assistance program is our No Job, No Pay program. And over 80% of our former students have qualified for our No Job, No Pay program, which is a income shared agreement is the technical term. And an income shared agreement is when a student will not have to make any payments on their tuition until they are graduated from the Cable Academy and in a new full-time position with a starting salary of $40,000 or higher for our Ohio students. So there's no money down to begin the program, no money due throughout the program. So the only way you start paying back your tuition is when you are completed with the program and in a new full-time job with that minimum salary threshold. And as I mentioned, this is the biggest and main tuition assistance opportunity that we have in place for our students. And we have seen tremendous success with our students using this as a option for their tuition, so they're able to focus on school, and then once they do land that job after graduation, then their payments will begin with their specific profile. And then lastly, we do have a veterans program that is a pay to train opportunity and a scholarship. The pay to train opportunity is going to be for full-time students only, and this will also be through an application process that we will go through, and then it will be sent off to be processed, and then if you are eligible, then full-time students are able to benefit from the pay to train, and then there is a scholarship that will go directly towards the student's tuition.
This program is for students that do not have any knowledge of IT, but a passion and curiosity for technology. Someone who is working, we offer part-time classes from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and one Saturday a month, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Someone that is looking for a career change that is unemployed or underemployed, this program will be perfect for someone to get into the technology field.
Alrighty, so with that being said, that is all of the information that we have in place for the virtual open house today. I believe if there are any questions, let's take a look. So no questions as of now, and feel free to put any questions in that you might have about the program. And if there aren't any questions, then we highly encourage all of you all to visit our website, and it is just cableacademy.com, and that is cable with a K. And there will be a button in the top right-hand corner that says apply now. And there is no application fee or any requirements to join, to apply. You will get all the information needed in an email after you submit the required fields, and then you will get set up with a time to talk with either myself or with Constance about getting your questions answered and then beginning your application for classes that will begin on September 27th. And I believe someone had their hand up. If you do have a question, feel free to write it in the chat, and then I'd be happy to answer. Maybe a question might have gone away. So looks like alrighty. Well, I'm not seeing any questions come through. The conversation button is at the top right-hand corner with the little speaking bubble if that is available to you all. But if not, I would certainly be happy to chat offline. All of our contact information can be found on our website as well. So we have a email and phone number that we can be reached at for any conversations on how to apply and get started.
Oh, I think she sent something.
It looks like it was a mistake, so no worries.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Oh, she does have a question, Paige.
Perfect. So with our web development course, yes, so we are inquiring about a part-time web development course because we have, I should say we have been getting a lot of interest in a part-time web development. We have not ran one yet, but with the influx of application and interest that we have been getting for a part-time web development course, we have started creating the curriculum and getting ready for that to be a full functioning class. So we're hoping that it'll start on September 27th as well. And we're kind of aiming towards, but it's not 100% guaranteed just yet. Perfect. Yeah. So we'll be able to stay in touch throughout the next coming couple days, honestly, like week or so. We should be able to have that answer 100% yes or no with moving forward. And if it's not going to be this class, then it will be in 2022 during our winter enrollment. Perfect. I believe that is all of the questions that I am seeing coming through so far. So as I mentioned before, feel free to visit our website and begin filling out the information that is needed on there. Once you submit that, it'll be sent to either myself or to Connie, and we'll be able to reach out, get more questions answered, and begin that application process. So I appreciate everyone coming out, and I hope everyone has a great night, and hopefully talk to you all shortly.